Well, here we are. The press is all reassembled, inked up, and ready to go. And it's a test job. We're printing some business cards on it for myself because I needed some cards. I had the form handy, and damn, it's doing a good job. Those tacky rollers are carrying ink very well. Impression is just right. The platen is level. Yep, this press is ready to go to work. It might feel a little bit stiff, but that's because it's got all brand new shafts. But it's polished and oiled and everything is working as it should. And I'm going to restock my inventory of business cards. You'll notice I've got an elastic band across the gripper fingers. That is to help pull the card away from the form because the ink is very tacky. And some forms will stick to the, sometimes the card will stick to the form because the ink is sticky. The elastic band pulls them away. Alright, I think I'll print some more, but you don't have to watch them. It's more fun actually printing, I think, than watching people print. But there it is, the U-Penn press, all ready to go and do Walt Whitman stuff. We deliver it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.